Errors were made in the hours following King Viserys' death.
The war will be fought. Many will die. And the victor will eventually ascend the throne.
There is no war so hateful to the gods. It's a war between kin. And no war so bloody as a war between dragons.